Carnival Magic. I would want to bring my family there and my friends to home.
Last question. What is your favorite thing in Phuket? Like the actual reason to have that?
What? My favorite thing actually is the sunset right in front of the hotel. It makes me feel like I can slow down, and even though we're in a competition, there's still like beautiful things that you can see.
Alright.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
เดี๋ยวอินเสิร์ตให้เขาเดินแบบได้
Okay, can you like have a walk? Like very short walk?
ไม่เดินเลย
Come back to the hotel.
เขาสัมภาษณ์อยู่มึงแบบนี้ก็เดินโอเคไม่ออกไหม
เอาไหม
Obviously,
Yeah, like then you say Makuru. Thank you very much. That's very much.
ไปเปิดไฟดิปิดไหม
Muay Thai na si Atisa! Yes!
pero ganon. Walang boss.